All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to Diamond Finish Detailing. Today we got another car. Repeat customer. This is my third time being here. This will be a basic. I will show y'all what goes through on with the basic. This client is a teacher, so I have a sale going right now for teachers, first responders, and military. They get 10% off any package, so she's getting 10% off right now. But yeah, so the basic, no steam cleaning, no extraction, no shampooing, but this is one of my repeating customers, and this is pretty bad, especially over there. So I will treat her to this, just for being a repeating customer. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get to this. Alright guys, so I just finished vacuuming, wiped down the door panels, wiped the infotainment system, the dash, all that. So now what I'm gonna do is, I wouldn't normally do this, but this is a repeating client, so they've been giving me work, so I gotta give them back, you know? That's what you gotta do. Get this stuff, and it's all dirty, especially the seats. Every seat is dirty, pretty much stained. So I'm gonna spray some carpet bomber on the seats and the floor, hit it with the steam, and then mop it up. As y'all can see, it works pretty well. It covered this side and that side right there. So if you don't have a extractor, a drill brush and a drill and all that, you can definitely spray some chemicals. I'd recommend a carpet bomber and a steam cleaner. And then all you gotta do is just get a cloth, mop it up. You might have to go over it a couple more times, but it will definitely get the job done. All these minor stains right here, just filled with dirt and sand, and that's why all of this popped out. So thankfully I will vacuum it all over again when I'm completely done, so then it's all spotless. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rest. All right, well that's it for that. It's fairly simple. You just need a couple things. It's definitely a lot of elbow grease, but it gets the job done. So if you don't want to get a drill, extractor, all that, steam cleaner and chemicals and a towel just to mop up is good. Leave the doors open and let that all dry and air out. It's not so saturated that it's gonna create mold when it dries. So it'll be perfect, nice and clean, and a customer did not ask for this. But it's been dirty. The second time I was here, I did this car and it was bad, just the same as it was. She didn't want me to touch it. She didn't want to pay for that. And I was still in the beginning at that time. So, but now that I've grown a lot, I'm willing to give to those who give me a chance, you know? For that, steam clean and all that, that's how you do it. Very simple. Little elbow grease and it gets the job done. It looks good. But let's move on. So now, what I'm gonna show y'all is how to clean weather mats. Obviously, I didn't come prepared because I wasn't thinking I was gonna shampoo and all that. So usually I would have my drill. So what I would do is spray down the mats one by one with the pressure washer. Spray some of this stuff, Mat Renew by Chemical Guys. Stuff's fire. And then agitate it with my drill and spray it all off. As simple as that. But of course, I'm gonna demonstrate if y'all don't have that with y'all. Just like what I did with the steam cleaner. What you're gonna do, get your pressure washer, hook it up, just get it going. Spray this, spray one down, spray some of this on there, spray some of this in there. This Mat Renew, the cleaner. And then what you're gonna do is just agitate like that. And you definitely need a stiff bristle to clean all this stuff in the cracks and all that. Don't worry, it's not gonna scratch the mats. Trust me, this is how I started off. So it's tough, but trust me, it's not gonna damage anything or leave anything behind. It's gonna clean it perfect, so let's get straight to it. Very simple, very simple. Knock these three out and then leave these out because it needs the air dry. Vacuum again in there and then the inside will be all done. I just finished the last vacuum and look how these came out, man. Let it air dry and it basically shines itself up. Perfect, no drill. So I'm gonna put these in the car and then I'm gonna show you all the wash process, starting with the wheels. All right guys, if you're wondering what this is right here, this is a 303 protectant, interior and exterior spray. This stuff is amazing. If I tell you to buy one thing, this is it right here. This stuff is amazing, bro. It also cleans. So what it basically does is protects all the plastics from the sun and the rays and all that, so it doesn't crack and fade it out. Customers will always want it, and they're like, wow, how did you get that so shiny? It looks brand new. All that stuff. Whoops. All that stuff. But yeah, this is the key right here. This stuff is amazing. It does wonders. All right, so basically with the wheels, you want to get the wheel well, the liner right there. You want to get all of that, spray that down, the wheel down, because you can see it's dirty. It's pretty dirty. These have wheel caps on it, so for me, I would just leave them on. What you'll need is obviously chemicals. This is what I love. It foams up right when it hits the tire, and they're dirty. It turns brown, it activates. This stuff is really good, and for the price, it's only, I believe, $4 at your like local Walmart. With a stiff brush for the tires, a soft one for the wheels, the wheel face, and mine's messed up. Mine's torn up, but a little brush for the lug nuts, and then one for this. We aren't gonna be needing this today. You could see the barrel. You would put that in there. I love this one. It's soft. It doesn't fling right back onto me, but yeah. So that's the run through. All right, well, that's pretty much the gist of it. Very simple, pretty cheap. This is $4. You can get this at Walmart. You can get this at Walmart, and you can also get this at Walmart. You can get this, not this kind at Walmart, but the stiff one. You know what I'm talking about, the stiff one you can get at Walmart. I believe you can get this one at Walmart too. So you can get everything at your local store. If you need to get done right that day, you can have it right that day. So that's pretty much it for how to clean your tires and wheels. Very simple. But I'm gonna get to the rest of these, and then I'll show you how to wash the body of the vehicle. So after you got your both buckets and your foam cannon ready, so what I did is I filled this bucket just a little bit with this Soap Gold class. This stuff is amazing, foams up, especially in that foam cannon, the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. Foams up so good. It's like shaving cream, and it's nice slick on the paint. But I put a little bit in here, so this is a little bit of soap with water, and then my wash mitt. You need a wash mitt. This is clear water because you gotta do two bucket wash, or you could possibly scratch the paint, and that wouldn't be good. And then also a foam cannon. Like I said, it helps with the lubrication, the gliding process. Scratch the paint basically, and it's aesthetically pleasing, honestly. A lot of my customers like it. They're like, where's the foam, where's the foam? I'm like, let me get to it, man. But yeah, this stuff is awesome. So that's all the 3 things you need. And you need, well, also soap. So 4 things. But what you're gonna do next is, after you got all that situated, is you're gonna pre-rinse. Pre-rinse is, I mean, basically what it says. You're gonna rinse the car down with water, with your pressure washer. Washing this like this. This stuff and all that, pretty much get most of it out, because then it'll help you when you actually do contact wash like that. It'll help you when you do contact wash. It just makes the process a lot easier. But yeah, so pre-rinse is up next, and then after that we're gonna foam it up, and Everything you contact, tire shine, windows, and this is a wrap. Well guys, that's a wrap on this one. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. Lets me know to keep doing this. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.